The application of technology was one of the reasons why we started M+S. We use it for communication and for surveying. We use laser scanners, infrared cameras, drones, and we use BIM technology for our drawings. Most of the restoration companies use AutoCAD and 2D softwares that do not allow a proper interpretation of the building envelope. Technology is implemented from the survey through construction and during the construction administration phase of the project as well.
We take extra time to make sure the documents that we create are accurate and thorough. Those difficult conversations come up in the field. Our team can be there and say, well, this is the information I have. It really cuts to the chase of a streamlined process and confidence from our clients.
We want to keep the balance of our social impact and our culture. So not losing the values that the companies were founded with is very important for us. We will continue the growth and hopefully we will keep the values that we were founded with.